Hi, I'm Austin Meadows. I'm here today to show Shelly, Stacy, and Stephanie how to install a Duo RV slide-out ski.
Duo RV slide-out skis are a universal set of skis that can be custom fit to your slide-out. They work with both standard roller slide systems as well as glide bar slide systems. What are some reasons you need to install your RV slide-out ski? Grinding noise, difficulty when opening and closing, leaking issues, if the slide gets stuck in the process of opening and closing. These slide-out skis are designed to help reduce friction and provide ease of slide on your slide-out. Slide-out skis protect the slide room from being torn up by the rollers. This ski was originally designed to protect the floor from getting chewed up, but today it is an easy solution for many common issues that come with slide-outs. We recommend hiring an RV service mechanic or a professional to install. But here are 11 basic steps. The tools required for the installation include 2.5 to 5 ton bottle jack or floor jack, Stanley knife, tin snips, putty knife, screw gun. Some models may need a right angle adapter for screw gun. Appropriate double-sided adhesive tape, 10 feet included. Caulk, not included. Butyl tape, not included. Wooden tee with protective barrier, carpet works well. Pro tip, we made ours out of 2x4s. Just make sure you have the correct length. Step 1, run slide room all the way out. Step 2, using jack and wooden tee to lift one side of the slide room just high enough to see daylight between bottom of the slide floor and top of the main floor. Step 3, remove screws. Step 4, with sharp utility knife, make a clean cut at top and bottom of the trim molding of bottom edge of the slide room. Cut through any sealant at trim molding for easy removal. Pro tip, make sure all staples and screws are removed from the slide wall to allow return lip of the slide ski to be between the floor and the sidewall. Step 5, once trim molding is removed, use a putty knife to remove all old putty and tape. Be careful not to damage molding or sidewall. Pro tip, gaining access to all screws in the trim molding may include removing screws from inside the coach with a right angle adapter. Step 6, prepare the ski for installation. Each ski will need to be trimmed for left and right installation. First, trim the ski ends at the beveled edge, score the trim line with a utility knife, and snap to break off the excess material. Since the floor skis are ambidextrous, you need to cut off one end at each ski. Make sure you cut off opposite sides. Do a mock-up fit to determine the ski length needed. Go inside the RV and measure the excess ski length from the edge of the slide-out floor to the end of the slide-out ski. This measurement plus 1/8 inch will need to be cut off the opposite end. Pro tip, to allow room for expansion and contraction, it is better to trim the skis a little short. About 1/8 inch is good rather than too long. Step 7, do a final fit up to evaluate any custom trim work needed. You want to look for obstacles that could prevent the ski from fitting flat and snug to the bottom of the slide floor. In this unit, we had to make room for a bolt. Each slide out room will be different. There could be obstacles both inside and out, so check carefully. You will then customize your ski by trimming the return lip. If a floor ski is above the slide out, you will need to trim any excess material. Pro tip, once you have one ski fitted, you should be able to use it as a template for the other side. Step 8, we are ready to install the slide-out ski. Apply the tape to the opposite edge of the turn lip. Keep tape 1/4 inch from edge and run it up to the bevel. Remove backing from tape. Install the ski. The return lip should be between the floor and the sidewall. Step 9, apply butyl tape, also known as putty tape, to the trim molding. Butyl tape is not included in this installation kit. Step 10, reinstall the trim molding. Step 11, caulk above the trim molding as well as underneath the cut end of the ski. If you have any questions or problems, you can reach Duo customer service at 269-663-8525. These Duo RV slide-out skis are now available on duoformplastics.com and on Amazon, or you can buy them at your local RV dealer. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.